new pattern is all of you displaying the numbers in palindrome format, guys. Displaying the numbers in palindrome format, that is pattern 25. Pattern 25, right? So palindrome format means, let us try first one, guys, then 1 to 1, all of see 1 to 1 palindrome, right? Palindrome format 1 to 1. Next, so 1, 2, 3, then 2, 1, guys. Then 2, 1. Next one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1. Again palindrome. Like this. Next one, suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, then 4, 3, 2, 1. 4, 3, 2, 1. All of you. Next, for example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, like this. And next one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, again lesser, 5, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, like this. Each row is a palindrome. Each row is a palindrome, guys, all of you. Okay, right. So let us try this one. Let us try this one, all of you guys. The same program. So here, guys, okay, it depends on the which one, guys. Now the n number, right? N number. If you take the more n number, it comes more. If you take the less n number, like if you take the 5, this much will not come. It may come up to here, guys. If you take the 6 up to here, if you take 7 up to here, if you take 8 up to here, it will come. If you take 9, for example, 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, then like this, all of you. If you take 9, if you take 10, more will come, okay? More will come. Let us try up to 5, for example. If we get the 5, it may come to up to here, guys. Okay, let's see now. While debugging, we'll see we may increase more number, we may decrease that number. Okay, right. So here, first, what we do now, let's go here. All of you, title I'm going for this one. While making the program, I give the debugging, guys. Okay, while making the program, I give the debugging here. Right, same. So input, enter n number of rows. Right. Same. Let me take fry in range of range of. I'll take same 1 comma n plus 1, guys. For example, okay, 1 comma n plus 1, n plus 1. Right. So here, next we'll take, suppose for j in range of and here is important, guys. Now actually in this case, see, first one value is coming, right? Next three values coming. In this case, initially, so initially, guys, when I value 0, when I value 1, no iterations, guys. When I value 2, j repeating one time. When I value 3, when I value 4, when I value 5. All of observe here. Okay, when I value 1, let's take for j no iterations. When I value 2 like this, when I value 3 like this, when I value 4, when I value 5, when I value 5, all of you else, Right. So in this case, first what we do, same. Let's take I1, then I2, then I value 3, I value 4, for I value 5, for I value 5 guys, okay, for I value 5. Okay, that's fine, right? So in this case, all of let us try one example. So when I value 1, no iterations guys. When I value 1, no iterations. This is the I and this is the J. This is the, sorry, I1, I2, I3. Same one guys. So here J repeating how many times now? J repeating how many times guys here? And if you observe this kind of example, we have done right already, guys. Like 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like this, we have done the example, if you remember, all of you. Okay. So now we take the two loops, internal loops. This is the I loop, guy. This is the I loop. These are the I loops, and J, and take the K also, guys. We take the two combinations here. We take the two combinations, all of you. So I, J, K, we take the three loops guys. Okay, three loops will take. While explaining the program, I do debugging guys, you understand better. Okay, so we'll take now starting one, and I'll take here I minus 1 guys, I minus 1. I minus 1. In that case, we'll take a print to j, then end equal to same space. I'll take one more also, k in range of, allow in range of here. We take now I minus 1, 0, then minus 1 decreasing guys, okay. The value is decreasing here, right? The value is decreasing. So here initial and no repetitions, here one repetition, here two, okay, all of you. Let's take one more. So print to k, again end like this. At last to take the print. Let me run this one. Take the 5. Right. So let's see now, guys. This one debugging, how it came. All of you observe here. Here no printing guys here. The first one no printing. The first one no printing. And is it J or K? We'll see now while doing the debugging, guys. Okay. So same. First time I value what guys here? I value 1, right? First time 1. At that time, tell me now, how many times J trades here? All of you, when I value 1, when I value 1, here, what J trades how many times? 0 times, 1 time, 2 time. All of you guys tell me now. When I value 1 here, the J trades, see, I value 1 means 1 guys, 1 minus 1, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. So starting 1, ending 0. No values guys, right? No values here, means no iterations. So no iterations guys here. Means no j iterations. There is no j iterations. Means j will not iterate. What about the k? What about the k here? So what's I value? I value 1, right? I take the 1. 1 minus 1, 0. 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1, 0. Starting 0, ending 0. Here also no iterations, guys. Here also no iterations. No iterations. Here also no iterations. That's all. Yes, sir. So I1 over. Now I1 over, but J and K no iterations. That's why the first line empty came here. The first line, so when I value 1, no value display. This is the I value 2, I value 3, I value 4, I value 5, guys. All of you observe. I value 1, no value display. Okay. Next, when I value 2, what are the J values now? How many times the J trades? How many times the J trades here? Right? So I value 2, right? I value 2, guys. And now 2 minus 1 is 1, right? 1. So end value 1 means it takes 0 before, right? 0, guys. 0. Again, no iterations here. Starting 1, ending 0, no iterations, right? So why 0? I think you understand, right? All of you. So I value 2 right now. I value 2. 2 minus 1 is 1, right? 1. Again, end value 1. 1 before, again 0. So again, start value 1, end value 0 means no iterations. Here also, the J iterates nothing. All of you. Now coming to K. So now end value, what is I value 2, right? 2. So 2 minus 1 is 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. Okay, so 1 comma 0. End value 0. And here I have taken the minus 1 end value, means decreasing, right? Decreasing. So 1 to 0. Okay. So 0 means before what here? 1 comes now. All of you. Here before 0, what is there? 1, because decreasing order. When come to the 5 to 1, 5 to 0, 3 to 0, 2 to 0. Okay. What is end value 0? 0 before 1. Start value 1, end value 1 means one time iterates, guys. It iterates how many times? Only one time iterates. Then only one time iterates, guys. All of you. One time iterates, right? One time iterates. Then that one, right? One, guys. Okay. Only one time iterating here means one comes, right? At once come. Then K value how much now? K value 1. That one display. Now one displaying, guys. That's all. All of you. Initially, first no value displayed. The second iteration, one displayed. In the second iteration, one, okay, one displayed, guys. Now I2 over. I2 over. Next iteration means I3. Next iteration what here? Next iteration I3, guys. Okay. When I3, when I value 3, then I'll take 3 here. 3 minus 1 is 2. 3 minus 1 how much here? 2. 2 before how much? 1. So start value 1, end value 1 means 1, guys. Means this time J iterates one time. J iterates how many times? One time, guys. J iterates one time now. One time. Only one time. Now print to J. What is J value? 1. That one printing now. That one printing over. Means now J iterations over. Only one time iterating. Only one time iterating. And that one printing only one time J. So J iterations over. Coming to K now. Coming to K. What is the I value? 3. What is I value? 3. 3 minus 1, 2. Right? So 2 and end value 0. 0 before how much now? 1. So means 2, 1, guys. Right? 2, 1. It means what? 2, 1. So now this is what? 2, 1, guys. Now, first time K value how much now? First time K value how much? 2. So print K. The 2 will print here. 2 print. Next what is K value? 1. Print K. Again, that one print here. That one print here. That one print. Okay. Right. Now, N3 also over. I3 also over. Next I4. For next value I4, okay, 4, guys, here I4. When I value 4, so 4 minus 1, how much here? 3. 3 before 2. So 1, 2, guys, right? Now j trades 2 times, that is 1 2 1 2. Now what is first time j value? Now first time j value 1, that one printing, okay. Next, what j value? J value 2, again the 2 also printing, over. Now 2 times this j loop over. Coming to k. What is I value? 4, right? I value 4. So 4 minus 1, how much? 3. End value, start value 3, end value 0. 0 before how much now? 1. When coming from 3 to 0, 3 to 0, take a 3 to 1 0. Before 0, what is there? 1 is there. So 3 to 1. 3 to 1, right? 3 to 1. So now, what's first time k value? First time k value 3. The 3 will print. Next time k value 2. The 2 will print. Next 2 will print. Next time k value 1. That one also print. I love you guys. Okay. Next. So over. Next empty printer. New line. Okay. Next time I value here. Next time I value 5. Next time I value what? 5. Okay. So now 5 minus 1, how much? 4. How much here? 4. 4 before how much? 3. How much here? 3, right? So 1, 2, 3. That's all. 1, 2, 3. All of you. Only 1, 2, 3, right? This is what here? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now, what's first time j value now? First time j value 1. That 1 will print here. Next time j value 2. Just we are printing the j, right? Next time j value 2. Print to j. What is j value? 2. Next time j value 3. Print to j. Print to 3. That's all over. Coming to k loop. What is the I value now? 5, right? 5. So 5 minus 1, how much? 4. How much here? 4. So 4 to 0, like 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. What is 0 before 1 is there? Means 4 to 1. That means what here? 4 to 1. So 4, 3, 2, 1. That's all. Right? Now, at first time k value 4. So 4 will print. 4 will print here. Next k value 3. 3 will print. Next k value 2. 2 will print. Next k value 1. 1 also print. 1 also print here. Okay. And any other I value is there? No. All over. Now this is the output, guys. This is the output. Everybody's clear this one?